everyone, so Janet here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a special treat. We are back in Disney, just for one night though. It's our pre-cruise hotel and I'm quite excited to share it with you. I'm going to do a full room tour and a tour of the hotel. I did a little something and I jumped out the window. We're staying tonight at the Grand Floridian. So this is a first for me. I'm super excited. I know how pricey it is. So this is like a big deal, probably a once in a lifetime type thing, but super excited and I will definitely be sharing all my footage with you guys. So stay tuned. Here we go. Hi everyone, Janet here. So welcome back. I'm super excited to share with you today. We are staying at the Disney Grand Floridian and we are in Boca Chica building and I'm in room 8327. So want to be able to give you guys this view of our room, let you know what you get when you select the Waterview room, and let's start this room tour. Okay, so as you first walk in, you've got a lovely mirror. Hi all. Excuse me for the heavy coat. We just flew in from New York and it's freezing over there. But you look to the right and you've got this wonderful bathroom. It is huge in comparison to most Disney resorts, but this is the Grand Floridian now, so who are we kidding here? We have the double vanity sinks. We have the favorite Disney soap, the sea salt, and then the Disney amenities that everybody loves so much. And yikes, don't look at me. But look at this. I love this lighted mirror because this mirror is wonderful for putting on makeup in the morning. So I do love that little extra touch when they did this refurb. Of course, you have the mirror over here for getting a little better close-up of your face. Again, walking out of the bathroom, you have the long mirror, well, not long, this circular mirror here. But again, just to show you guys, in here, we do have a tub and shower, and this is all newly remodeled. Great floor, toilet, come out of here, and take you right into the room. We did get a Waterview, so I'm going to show you that in 1 minute. But before I go too far, coming over here we have your little, I guess you'd call it a wet bar. You've got your coffee station with the Keurig coffee, ice holders there, and you got all your selection of coffees. So for those coffee lovers, what do we have down here? Probably, yep, that this is just that small mini fridge. Nothing to really, you know, I wouldn't be storing any ice cream or anything in there, but something if you have some leftovers that you want to just bring over and have for the morning. All right, continuing on, you have your big TV here. Plenty of drawer space, plenty. These drawers are huge, really big and deep, so definitely get good week and a half worth of clothes in there. Right next to the bed, so 2 double beds here, queen size. Again, more drawer space. I love the little accents. You can see that little chandelier that they have, all Mary Poppins themed. You can tell by all the artwork here. It's so adorable. So I definitely love the redesigned room theming. And teal is my favorite color, so those teal pillows, gorge. Even on the bed, I mean, just the upholstery, everything's really very pretty. Before I move outside, let me just show you guys the closets. And this is really nice wallpaper that they've put on the outside of these closets, but there's 2 robes in here. The light turns on. There is extra pillow and blanket right there. You have your luggage rack. Some hangers. You have your handheld steamer in there, as you do with most deluxe resorts for Disney, and you have your safe. big enough, I would say, definitely for a good laptop size, at least a 16-inch in there. Okay, let's move outside. Now, I said we did get the water view. So let's see, this is my first time going out here. Let's see what this place looks like. Wow, okay, great balcony. So we've got 2 chairs and a small table. And this is the water view. So out in the distance, you can actually see the Polynesian over there. And you're gonna be able to see the water pageant here at night. They have it out there. You can see the monorail going right now. If I can get a close-up of it. Look at the monorail. That's Magic Kingdom over there. Got the Contemporary Resort right in the distance as well. I mean, this is an absolute amazing view. Right over here to the left of the screen, you've got Narcoossee's. The boat is passing Narcoossee's right now. That's a great restaurant as well. So if you guys do come to the Grand Floridian, definitely check that out. But this is an absolutely fantastic location. All the way up there, you could see it in the distance, Magic Kingdom. They did tell us this is gonna be the perfect, oh, and here comes the boat that takes you from the resort over to the Magic Kingdom. But they did tell us tonight we're gonna be able to see the fireworks right from our balcony. So I'm super excited about that. Yeah, overall, I'm super impressed with the room. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm going to take a complete resort tour video for you guys as well to do a little overview of that. But